Hello, Julia and Kimberly. Let's see, make sure I have the right people before I start. Yes, okay. Beautiful work. I want to start with this one. I really liked it. Um, I love that you made the skin black, and it's a wonderful use of texture. I love that how you've done the skirt. I like how you can kind of see through it, but you can't see the heavy body parts. And the white on the belt, or just the separation in the dress, is a nice relief and a good way to tie in the outline of the body and the hair. I thought this was very well done, and it looks professional. I think you could sell it. It's a good piece for your portfolio. I don't have any questions because I think it's pretty, questions, suggestions. Maybe one. Let me zoom in a little. Take a close look. The fingers aren't defined very well. They look like you were in a hurry. So spend some time, elongate them, especially that ring finger. It needs a little bit of work. So I would fix those. Consider maybe making the hair a little longer just for a flowing effect. And then thicken this foot just a bit. Those are my suggestions for that. But I really love the concept, and the texture is beautiful. I think it's definitely a winner for your portfolio. Okay, Kimberly, I didn't look at your description. I try not to when I look at illustrations. I don't want my mind swayed. I love the drawing. I love the syringes. The evil face there is real clear. The guy's got a no syringes hat on. So I like that too. But it also sort of indicates that by doing that, he's letting more evil out. So I think I like the double meaning. I could see something like this used as an illustration for, an unhealthy way to get addicts to quit. You can't just cut them off like that. So I really enjoyed that aspect. So as far as suggestions, if that's not what you were going for, then you might want to consider tweaking it a bit. Or if you're fine with that interpretation, then fantastic. Let people come to their own conclusions. But my only suggestion is if I took off those syringes, I think the eyes would look a little weird because it's clear that this right side one, the eye is sort of more of a teardrop shape, and then this one kind of comes to a curve. So I don't know if you just didn't want to carry it over for some reason, but that's something to consider. Just a very slight thing. Anyway, you two definitely are a good combo of excellent work. Let me know if you have any questions. And I'd like to hear what you think of each other's work.